Morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. M and Miss Richard Jones. This morning, we are going to continue learning our classroom. Every morning at 8:40 a.m., Miss Richard Jones is going to take attendance. So you are going to click on stream and you will notice Miss Richard Jones will start to share a message which will read, "Good morning, boys and girls. I will be taking attendance right now. Please type present if you are there." Okay. What is very important is that you are going to type present under the chat that she started. So I'm going to type present here because Mr. M is present. And I want you to pay attention to this. This is very important. This box here is where Miss Richard Jones started the sharing the attendance chat. So everyone who comes in is going to write present here. You write nothing else inside of here. You only write present and you only write it once. If you come in late, that's fine. You have to scroll down somewhere and look for the attendance chat and go ahead and type in present whatever time you come in. So we will give everyone an opportunity to type in the attendance. So apart from this, we wouldn't be typing anything until 8:50. We will leave this chat as the first chat until 8:50. So students have 10 minutes to actually come in and type this. But you can still type in present after. But what we are going to allow you to do after 8:50 is that you can go up here and start creating your own chat and speak to your. Please ensure that when you are chatting with your friends that you use cool language at all time. At 9 o'clock, we are going to you are going to click on classwork and you will begin you will listen to the welcome video and we will start ELA where you will follow the instructions. Okay, ELA is going to be the only thing available for you to see. And as we move along, um, during the day, the different work are going to pop up and we are going to guide you as to what you're supposed to do. So I hope you understand how we're going to take our attendance every morning, and this is the purpose of this tutorial.